Yo, I appreciate y'all tuning back in to TK's Vision. I'm TK, the creator of my brand Trapping Party, and today we'll be reviewing vinyl. Alright, I'm gonna show you where to get the vinyl, and we're gonna weed out some vinyl, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how it reacts to the t-shirts that I use and things like that. So, right into it. The vinyl that I use is EasyWeed vinyl by Siser. Alright, EasyWeed vinyl by Siser. Siser EasyWeed vinyl. Alright, it's pretty much the best vinyl on the market for the best price. I'm sure you can find some other stuff, but this works fine. You can look at the reviews online, and it's gonna tell you, it's gonna lead you to this direction. Alright, so I got some cut right here already. It's one of my most popular designs, the Fuck 12 t-shirt, so I'm gonna show you how easy this shit weed out. Got your weeding tool here. Alright, you can get these pretty much anywhere. I think mine came in a kit from Amazon. So, I mean, you can get them at Walmart even though, like anywhere. What you wanna do is, got your design right. You wanna start in a corner. Alright, and you're just gonna take that corner and peel it. Make sure your design is not peeling up with the excess, right? So you ought to be getting a nice clean pull off. Look what my mama brought me, y'all. Ginger tea with lemon and Manuka honey. She the bomb. Appreciate it, mom. You welcome. Boom. Got a heat press. Got my white t-shirt on here. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna press the shirt for about 5 or 6 seconds. This is gonna warm it up, get the moisture out, get the wrinkles out. Alright, now I'm gonna grab my little stencil. Get you something to measure with, some kind of measuring utensil, some kind of measuring tool, even if it's just a ruler. I got my utensil all marked up so I kind of know where to put my designs. I also got, can you see? No, you can't see, I'll show you in a minute. But I got some sticky notes on my wall to tell me exactly where to put my designs, because I got 9 of them. On the t-shirt, always rub mine, make sure it stick kind of good. I'll throw our Teflon sheet on there. Now this is not what they recommend for this vinyl, I'm gonna be honest, but I use a little bit of a lighter pressure, and I like to make sure my shit stick. Good stuff. Fuck 12, indeed. Alright, y'all, so yeah, that pretty much wraps up my review, tutorial, whatever you want to call it, on EasyWeed vinyl. I got some more shirts to do right now, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. Oh yeah, and don't forget click the like button, subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna keep on dropping these gems and jewels throughout my YouTube career. So y'all help me out. Let's take it there.